What on my people? So chronixx went on ER entertainment report with Anthony Miller, my people. If talk about in chronology tour and if talk about dancehall and reggae and where it's going. You see me, I say after the video and me make you see a piece side.
Find that whenever reggae music gets a break on the international stage, it is always based on efforts from the hip-hop music industry or the popular music, the pop music industry and these larger recording companies. Whenever there's a festival in America, it's not just the labels and the booking agencies that do it. You talk about Verizon, Sprint, all of these people invest. You know what I mean? Jay-Z's album sell platinum because Sprint was on board and made sure that it was a part, the sales and everything get tied in with the move of their products as well, because of course Jay-Z can help them to move products. So they cooperate with him.
So Jamaica and Jamaican artists have been bypassed by the business world in terms of...
Of course, big time.
And why is that?
Big time. Which company in Jamaica ever commissioned the making of a movie? Which Digicel or any one of them? None of them. Which one of them ever build a recording studio? None of them. Red Bull build studios across the world. You know what I mean? None of them company where make all of the poisonous drinks them and them thing there. Them now make up back feet by input in the culture. So it's like them neglect their moral responsibility, and that's just the truth. That's not me trying to blame anybody because I'm good.
And the chronixx with candid comments about the fractured dancehall scene, fourth generation vendetta and unruly separate camps that sometimes lock horns.
Is it hard to steer clear of all that and still work with the people you want to work with and not get drawn into the drama?
Well, let me tell you, it's really the media who perpetrate all of these things. Because listen, the artists them know say if them feud, them stay more relevant. Now, I'm suggesting to these same artists, Popcorn, Alkaline, all of them, you know what I mean, with Vybz Kartel being the head of it, because, you know what I mean, any one of these young DJ who don't acknowledge Vybz Kartel as the head of them thing is like, what are you doing? You're trying to fool yourself, you know what I mean? So, all of them, I think, because it's Protege who bring me on stage, Protege who bring me on tour, I bring Protege on tour, I bring Protege on stage, bring each other.
It's a long race.
Your fellow traveler Dre Island seems to have joined the unruly camp, and he doesn't really seem to have a problem. He's coming out and acknowledging that, well, you know, Popcorn is the leader of that camp, and he's absolutely fully committed and loyal.
Because Popcorn and Dre are friends. Them are brethren. Like, you don't know what it is like to have a brethren. You have to support your friend. That's what friendship is about. That's what you have to support your brethren. But I'm saying don't make it become too tribalist, where we can't acknowledge, say, yo, but me and Dre Island and Popcorn and we could have passed with brother. When you look one way, all will look the same way, and the Kartel and Alkaline come like twin when you check it. Then everything them do alike.
You see what I say, my people? According to what chronixx I say, Alkaline I live in a Kartel image. You see me, I say, my people, and people, everybody knows say Alkaline take piece of Kartel style. Whether Alkaline fans they want to believe or not. They don't know me. I follow Alkaline for Alkaline, just bust, and I was promoting Alkaline when Alkaline just bust. So yes, him buy piece of Kartel style. You see me, I say, and what chronixx I say again, my people, is like, he must say, the real conflict where in a dancehall, Kartel is the one who really started it, and people don't really want to acknowledge it, and if they think they're denying it to the public, they're really denying it to themselves. You see me, I say, which people in kind of right. You see me, I say, whether you want to believe it or not, my people, chronixx is kind of right. I tell you, say, you see, it's called status, because if I did certain other people say this, I know me people, they would have glorified me, you know, because Bounty Killer said this all along, you know. Beanie Man used to say the same thing, you know. All the artists they used to bash Kartel, my people. I say Kartel like devil, and Kartel I lead people the wrong way, and I lead Jamaica the wrong way. You see me, I say, so, oh no, when chronixx I say people are bash chronixx. You see me, I say, my people, but bigger man think Kartel is still the biggest thing, and you can't take that from him, and Kartel is the best lyricist ever. Jamaica ever see. You see me, and he's still a world boss. You see me? And chronixx say you really can't take that from him. You see me? But chronixx is a youth we talking through me people. And for something where happen in a dancehall, as he said, Jamaican government people never support reggae or dancehall the way it should, me people. I don't know why Jamaican government is always reluctant, me people, to really embrace dancehall or reggae the way it should. You see me? I say, Youth and Culture Minister vybz Grange, what do you my people when Usain Bolt forget Anna? Then they don't spend one whole heap of money for Anna, and Usain Bolt I say, no. You see me, I say, take it to something else. You see me, so it's like it's a bandwagon, this thing the government always depend. You see me, I say me people, because right now, why they don't build a studio where the youth can come and record and try to build some positive music, if they want positive music, so-called positive music. What them a do? You see me, them a say them a help tourism, me people, and tourism, the tourists, then come to Jamaica because of the culture, because of dancehall, and because of reggae. You see me, I say, and they never yet a try to help the culture. You see me, I say, these are the issues and the chronixx are talk about, and only if somebody will me see really talk like this about it. It's bounty killer. You see me, I say, and them are the reason why Jamaican dancehall artists can get robbed from the music, me people. Because when a hip-hop artist or when any other artist put out a song, me people, if a song pay one time, the artist they have to get paid. You see me, I say, Jamaican artists, they not get no pay. And that's why some artists, my people, end up broke and I say, boy, producer rob them because there's no proper structural organization in a dancehall for really make the artists then get paid according to their work. You see me, I say, so then let go of some people. See, I see them thing make gully back broke. You see me, because they not pay them. You see me, Isaiah Lang would rob him. You see me, I say, my people, so I didn't think a credit attack say everybody else help reggae and dancehall, but Jamaican government never help. The people look on Digicel, call long Digicel come birth at Jamaica and Digicel take over the whole Caribbean. Why Digicel can't help reggae? Why Digicel never embrace reggae the way it should? You see me, I say, me can't understand the government them prefer to embrace like our soca. You see me, I say, no disrespect to soca and to soca fans. Because me love see half naked girl a gyrate. You see me, I say, no disrespect to them. You see me, but people, the government need to really help reggae and dancehall more. And them things chronixx a talk about. You see me, I say, my people, and for looking at it, a real thing in man a talk about. Because as reviewing dancehall, you can see, they never yet. Lisa Anna, them bash it. You see me, I say, it's like, as Anthony Miller call it, it's like it's a boogie yaga music to them. You see me, I say, but it's not no boogie yaga because I whole heap of youth to help. You see me, I say, my people, but more here when I say about the topic still. Peace. I'm out.
Best friend I come to take your life are the worst thing you could ever see. Teflon, no can a man know you a power with from your band, turn on be your enemy. Gideon. We don't want a friend from them, cause them heart is full of jealousy. I did two what we used to share a glass of rum, now you want kill me for anything. But how me fit us I'm in a certain where you are to behind curtain. Enough of them say them are your friend when you take it out, them is a different person. Them now want see you dribble like burden. Them want you live your life in a burden. Oh, we have to say me are your friend when we take it out, you is a different person. Because enough of them want see your head back shell out. See me and my little friend got sell out. None of us in the sergeant and lock them out. They don't come in and me quarter and lock them out, yeah. See it clear them now with me, but them can't stop till I see I pick me. Do the road slippery, me get the victory. Teflon fly over bad mind quickly because them evil. Dirty are bad mind people. Watch everything that we do. Sit down and plan up to kill you. Yeah, a good thing say me no job, and me woulda be a falling soldier. Yeah, and make me tell you bad mind can't get me off of the road. You have to stop spending your money for obia, that obia. How me put us I'm in a certain where you are to behind curtain. No for them say them are your friend when you check it out. Them is a different person. Them now want see you dribble like burden. Them want you live your life in a burden. Yeah. Oh, we have to say me are your friend when we check it out. Them is a different person. Them is a different person. Them woulda want me charge for murder. Accuse me for things that me never yet heard of. But me nah play for top off the friendship before the linkage gonna further. Some of them will sell you out for a burger. One paint a white teeth and I read them a burger. Some of them switch and go snitch and one you get stitched. Me have to wonder if the boy them a surgeon. Them evil, dirty are bad mind people. Watch everything that we do. See them and plan up to kill you. Watch out, I'm gonna say a good thing say me no order. And me would be a falling so order. But mine can't get me off of the road, yeah. So stop spending your money for obia. Oh, me fit just I'm in a when you check it out, them is a different person. Them no want see you dribble like burden. Them want you to feel like being a burden. No for them say them are your friend when you check it out, them is a different person. Best friend I come to take your life are the worst thing you could ever see. How can a man know you are far with from your band turn on be your enemy? Me no want a friend from them cause them want it full of jealousy. Remember the two we used to share a flask of rum, so you want kill me for anything. Them are wicked people. Them are wicked people. But I draw over evil. Watch out, and them are wicked people. Them are wicked people. Them are wicked.